This is use case 11. The class 2 of the IEC standard contains a normative reference to a standard which the technical committee does not want to or cannot refer to. For example, if this IEC standard should not be used in Europe. In this case, you will need to delete or replace the reference from the IEC text, and you can only do this through common modifications to the IEC text. So, for example, you have a normative reference to this one, so that is why it has been added to class 2. So imagine this is your IEC standard text. You have your normative reference to this one, which you need to delete or replace. How do you do that? You need to add a modification, a common modification. If you are already working on common modifications, so you are already developing an A11, you just add a modification. If you are not already developing an A11, so you don't have common modifications yet, you will have to create them through a new work item. So you simply put a modification to class 5 and then say, in this case, in 5651, which is where we are here, in the last paragraph, you want to replace this with, and then whatever EN should be applied instead or should be used instead. It might also be that the solution is to, for example, delete an entire subclass. That is possible, and then you would write in your modification, delete 5.6.5.1. You would make the necessary modifications for each occurrence of this reference throughout the text. And then, depending on what you changed, this is the reference that will have to be listed in your Annex A, or nothing at all if you deleted the references everywhere. So you would add the reference here, put the year, and put the title.